Hi there. This is Venkat from the Expert Connect team. I want to just inform about the kind of innovation we have done in our project, as well as most importantly how collaboratively we did this project. We are very proud of the kind of collaborative efforts we did. So let me first get into the collaborative part. Our team consists of four team members: Sriram, Sumanta, Daman, and Venkat, myself. Uh, so if you see, all of us are from different practices. Sriram from CTO, Sumanta from Comms North America, and Daman from Product Engineering Services, and myself from Talent Transformation, Venkat. Okay, and what how we came together is that all these people came to we came to know each other through our talent transformation trainings, which I conduct. So we have DevOps trainings, IoT, blockchain, and we also conduct some virtual projects, and that is how we all came together. Once we decided to do the IoT blockchain implementation, we all started discussing over coffee, lunch, individually with each of the team members, and we all, enthusiastically started, teaming up. And so we were in different locations. Particularly, Daman was in Kolkata, and we were in different towers across our Electronic City office. And we normally used WebEx or phone calls or TeamViewer to do this collaborative project. And as we have explained in our other thing, this solution architecture, this is what we have implemented. And this has broadly three modules. So we have this a blockchain part, and then we have the Node.js to talk MQTT with this MQTT publish subscribe broker, and we have the IoT device being controlled. So for more details about these solution, we can look at the other PPT and our video. So what happened is that we were looking at Sriram to do blockchain, Sumanta to do IoT, and Daman was doing that Node.js